Ever found yourself pouring your heart into someone only to realize they're just not there yet? Imagine transforming that energy into something that not only attracts them but also elevates your own life. 1. Understand their perspective. Why is understanding their point of view the first step to turning things around? Peeking into their world through their eyes might seem like decoding an ancient mystery, but it's simpler than you think. It's about stepping into their shoes, understanding their hesitations, fears, and the pace at which they're moving forward. It's not about lowering your standards but about empathy. Recognize that everyone's journey is unique, including their readiness for commitment. By showing compassion and patience, you create a safe space for them to open up at their own pace. This understanding fosters deeper connections and shows that you're not just there for the good times but are truly invested in them as a person. 2. Focus on your growth. How can prioritizing your personal growth make you irresistible? Turning the spotlight onto yourself might feel like a solo journey at first. But it's the secret sauce to attracting everything you desire, including a more committed partner. Dive into personal development, explore new hobbies, or master a skill you've always been curious about. This journey of self-discovery doesn't just add layers to your personality, it makes you glow differently. People are drawn to those who radiate confidence and passion, and your special someone will be no exception. As you blossom into your best self, you become a magnet for not just love, but all things wonderful. 3. Set boundaries, not barriers. What's the fine line between setting healthy boundaries and building walls? Navigating the fine line between setting boundaries and building walls is like mastering the art of tightrope walking. The key? Communication. It's about expressing your needs and limits in a way that's clear but not rigid, firm but not unapproachable. Start by identifying what truly matters to you and then share these values with grace and conviction. This approach doesn't push people away. Instead, it invites them into your world under terms that respect your well-being. Remember, setting boundaries is a sign of self-respect and teaches others how to love you. 4. Cultivate your own happiness. Why is finding joy independently crucial for attracting more love? Discovering joy independently is like finding a hidden treasure within yourself. It's about creating a life that feels full and vibrant, even when you're flying solo. Start small. Indulge in activities that light up your soul, whether it's painting, dancing in your living room, or exploring new places on your own. Cultivating happiness on your own terms sets a powerful example of how you want to be loved and treated. This self-sourced joy is infectious. It draws people towards you, including that special someone who's been on the fence. They'll see a person who's not just waiting around but is actively crafting a beautiful, fulfilling life. 5. Communicate your needs clearly. How can clear communication change the game in your favor? Mastering the art of clear communication is like unlocking a secret door to deeper connection and understanding. It's about being honest and open about your feelings and what you need from a relationship without fear or hesitation. But here's the trick. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Approach conversations with kindness and empathy, aiming for clarity without placing blame. Practice active listening, showing that you value their perspective as much as your own. This creates a safe space for both of you to express yourselves freely. 6. Invest in your passions. Why does investing in what you love make you more attractive? Diving headfirst into your passions is like giving yourself permission to be vividly, wildly alive. It's about honoring those inner calls to creativity, adventure, or learning that make your heart beat faster. Whether it's picking up a guitar, coding your first app, or mastering Italian cooking. Investing in your passions does more than just fill your own cup. It overflows into every area of your life. This radiant energy you emit when you're engaged in what you love is magnetic. It attracts people who are drawn to your zest for life, including someone who may be hesitant about commitment. They see a person who is complete, with or without them, and that's irresistibly attractive. 7. Practice patience and understanding. How can patience transform your relationship dynamics? Embracing patience and understanding is like discovering a secret ingredient that transforms every relationship recipe. It's about recognizing that everyone moves at their own pace, including the journey of the heart. Patience allows you to give space without withdrawing, to support without pressuring. It's a delicate balance that communicates, "I'm here for you, on your terms." This doesn't mean putting your life on hold. It means moving forward with your own growth while being open to theirs. Understanding their journey helps in creating a bond that's not just about where you want to go together but also respects where they are now. 8. Boost your self-esteem. Why is boosting your self-esteem the key to not feeling the need to chase? Boosting your self-esteem is like putting on a suit of armor. It makes you invincible in the face of challenges, including the complex dynamics of relationships. It starts with self-talk. Transform the narrative in your head from self-doubt to self-love. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and remind yourself of your worth daily. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself, whether it's a fitness routine, learning something new, or simply pampering yourself. This inner glow of confidence makes you less likely to chase after affection and more likely to attract it naturally. When you value yourself, you teach others how to value you too. 9. Encourage their growth. How can encouraging their growth bring you closer? Encouraging their growth is like watering a plant. It's essential for it to flourish. Show genuine interest in their dreams and aspirations. Ask about their goals, listen attentively, and celebrate their achievements, no matter how small. This support builds a foundation of trust and mutual respect. It shows you're invested in their happiness and success, not just how they fit into your life. Offering encouragement and celebrating their independence doesn't push them away. It draws them closer because it demonstrates your love is not selfish. It's about wanting the best for them, even if that means they need space to grow. This kind of unconditional support often inspires them to invest more deeply in the relationship, creating a cycle of love and growth. 10. Know when to walk away. What makes knowing when to step back the ultimate act of self-love and respect? Knowing when to walk away is the ultimate act of self-love and respect. It's recognizing that your worth isn't tied to anyone's inability to see it. This doesn't mean giving up at the first sign of challenge, but understanding when you've done all you can and it's time to prioritize your well-being. It's about listening to your intuition and acknowledging when a situation no longer serves your highest good. Making this tough decision can be empowering, reminding you that you have control over your happiness and peace. Walking away isn't a defeat, it's a declaration of self-respect. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.